Welcome to my mini class. I'm Daniela and I want to show you how to use repetitive shapes on your projects. You see that I have cut different squares, and that's what we'll be needing if we want to have a lot of triangles. And I decided to cut squares 2 inches from cardstock, and then I also have squares in 1.5 inches from pattern papers, and then I also used the squares which I cut from one of those pattern papers included in the March kit. And yeah, you see that I now just cut them apart and have different squares in different sizes by just doing this. Okay, here I also have a bigger square. It's about 5.5 inches. And yeah, I cut this apart, and this will be the basis of my layout. And I also want to have a smaller triangle here on the other side. So this is the center of my layout, and I want to place the picture here on top of the big square. So this is how I start my page, and all the rest yeah, will come together by just try and error. So I have the different triangles, and I want to have a lot of those shapes here on my page, but in different sizes and different patterns. So I have 4 different pattern papers and 3 different cardstock colors which I can choose from, and I just try to arrange a lot of triangles to have a nice interesting background, and then I want to have some embellishments on top of it later. But first I'm focusing on all the triangles, and that is what I want you to try as well, because we have a lot of fun going on today and the upcoming days. And you can win a gift certificate if you play along in each mini class. And here in my class, I just want you to use repetitive shapes. You can work with triangles as well, but I can totally imagine doing circles instead. For example, circles in different sizes, or maybe hearts in different sizes. Hexagons would also be something that you can use as a background. And when you've finished your page, just show us what you've created and upload your layout in the folder of my class, and then you might be a lucky winner. So that's really a lot of chances, I guess, because we have so many different classes which you can add your projects to, so that you have, yes, a big chance to be a lucky winner. So now you see that I have started embellishing my background with one of those pretty floral die cut pieces from the March kit, and I also used one of the die cuts from the main kit to place it behind my picture. I'm working with a black and white picture today, so that is a nice addition to the colorful triangles I've chosen to work with. And now I can just start to add some more triangles, or to rearrange them, so that I have a nice version in the end. So I also cut out this little piece, little moments from the pattern paper with the tags, because I think this works perfectly here, because it's just a random moment that I took the picture in. My two kids working on a creative project that they came up with themselves, and yeah, it's these little moments that spread happiness around our houses, and I wanted to document this. All right, so I think that I can add some more triangles. There is some white space here on the left hand side, and I will stay with the big triangle on the right hand side. So it's just small ones, different sizes on the left hand side, and here I want to have different patterns. So I have two pattern papers, and then the rest is taken from the cardstock kit, and I have to see what it looks like, and I just adhere them when I'm sure I want them to stay there, and that gives me more flexibility to try different versions. And here I have a lot of pink, so I want to have a little bit of yellow on this side as well, and I just used the manufacturer's stripe from one of the pattern papers, and want to place it here somewhere. In the end, I decided to place it behind the picture, and it is just a little yellow spot, which is a shiny little detail here, and a bright color, which spreads a little happiness here. And I also want to add more yellow spots, so I have decided to also use one of those stickers, and because this is like a rectangle, I also want to use another one, so I have 3 elements in this shape as well. And now it's time to use some puffies. I love those puffy phrase stickers, which will build my title, and here as well I have to check where I want to place it first, and then I can just have 2 different titles. I have one at the bottom and one on top of the picture, and then I also have some hearts, and this way we have an interesting playful page with different elements, which are kind of versatile but still come in the same colors, so everything matches perfectly. Alright, so first of all, I also thought about using using a circle element, but then I decided to add a few shiny hearts instead, because I already have the heart-shaped puffy sticker, and this way I have just 3 big shapes. I have the triangles, I have the rectangles, and the hearts. And now I just add some smaller triangles. You see that I'm still working with the triangles that I cut in the first place, and I can just adjust them in the size by cutting them in half, and this way we have different sizes which are more which add more playful a playful style, because we have different sizes, different elements, and not just one strict element. It is versatile if you just cut them apart various times. All right, so it's almost done. I want to have different colors here and have to make sure that they are not too similar. So I also want to have the back part or the back side of the cardstock, of the blue cardstock paper, and there we have these beautiful stripes. And all in all, I think that this is a fun and light page because the colors are not too strong. We have cheerful colors, but still they are not too heavy. So I think that this is a nice combination all in all. All right, so just thinking about the finishing touch, I have to add my journaling. Journaling is something that we memory keepers would like to have on all of our pages. And then I also thought about backing my layout with pattern paper, but I haven't cut off the edges yet, so I could just try if I want to use it. And in the end, I decided to stay with the white cardstock and no frame this time. But I think that we can have different ideas about this. And in the end, I'm quite confident about my decision and happy with my output here. And I'm really, really excited to see what you guys are creating. And if you have any questions about my choices or about repetitive shapes, about anything, so maybe you just want to ask me something else, I'm happy to answer here in the comments. And I hope you enjoy National Scrapbooking Day and all the fun that is coming your way. And I wish you lots of luck to be one of the lucky winners. And thanks so much for watching, and see you soon on the YouTube channel. Bye bye.